Okay, so this video is going to feature sexy hair, and it says more. God, Grace, I'm not very fluent. This video is going to feature sexy hair, and it says more sexy with sexy. Okay, excuse me. So it comes into this box here. Open it up. Bam, bam, bam. You have their what do you call them here again? Oh my God. Code, like codes there, the number and their email, and it is actually a wig. No, I am pretty excited about this wig. It's been a while since I've gotten a wig. It's been years since I've gotten an actual wig, like a pre-made wig. I've always made my own wigs, and I'm scratching the crap out of my head. And I'm excited about this style in particular. So here goes a little card I get, baby. Little Cardi B. I don't know why I said Cardi B. She's not even my artist. I am going to be chastised for that statement, aren't I? So anyway, that's the card. Whatever. Okay, so I already have my straightening brush plugged in, and it's from Vanity Planet, and I have my whole Vanity Planet code in the description. And whenever you're shopping Teami or Vanity Planet, please check out my description box. Just come back to any one of my description box. It's always in there. The wig comes in this, and it's 22 inches, but this seems long. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Oh my gosh, I have another one. Okay. So it comes, take the bag out of it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. So this is the lace front. I don't believe I said that at all in the video. Also, I always put any wigs I get like this, ready-made wigs, at the last setting because my head is so tiny. So it's on the last setting, and I'm just fitting the wig on my head. And again, this is a lace frontal. There's no way this is 22 inches. This is at least 24. So I'm just straightening this with my straightening brush. And it's combing through the hair as well as straightening it. You guys, this hair is so silky. Aww. This is so silky. I need something to part my hair. Happens when you have natural hair and it happens to be really short, so all you have is like an afro pick. This is really cute. Alright, let me do a middle part. I haven't done a middle part in such a really long time. Don't want to do a middle part. It's gonna give me that hump, and I want no hump. Alright, so far so good. The hair is extremely silky. The wig is extremely silky. It is very light. I just start sweating. I turned off my fan. This is Tresemmé's climate control finishing spray. I'm gonna spray it on top. Get my little brush and brush this down to keep the baby hairs in place, as well as keep the hair laying flat, you know. But guys, I love it. Oof, I'm sweating. Apart from the obvious heat in this room, I really love this hair. I want this to lie down flat up here, so I don't think I look good with these flat hairs. I'll bring it more to the front. There we go. Is it looking a little cone-headish to you? I don't know. I'm pretty self-conscious about hairs this flat, and I have to remember it's a wig. It's professionally, no offense to me and all the wig makers out there, but this is like a wig. Wig. You know, it's not something I made. This is like a legit wig. Alright, so this is the wig. It is long. This is 24 inches. That was a miscalculation. This ain't no 22 inches. It's 24 inches, bruh. But I will say, the hair, is it shedding? Okay, the hair shedding a little bit. I'm literally getting 1 and 2 strands, literally. And that's when I clipped here a while ago. So I have my wig on the last setting. 22 inches. I have the origin in the description bar, but look at the luster of that hair. Quite nice, quite healthy. A center part. center part to the inside. Ooh, hello sexy hair. I am digging the center part even more. Oh god, I'm sweating. Butter, oh my god. Alright you guys, this hair quality is absolutely amazing, and they're very just like gorgeous. No, they're light, they're silky. You guys, I'm loving this wig. Thank you so much Cexxy Hair for sending me this to review. Look at the closure, I mean like the front of the hair, it's good. No, you guys, I'm digging the crap out of this hair. I love it. I feel like I've been going on and on about this hair for no good damn reason. The hair's from SH. The hair is from Cexxy Hair, and it has done me no wrong, baby. No wrong, and it's a wig. You literally, it comes made for you. Throw it on your head and you make it do what it do. I prefer the middle part as opposed to the side part. So I won't go long, I won't get it further. I will definitely keep y'all updated via my social media. I'll keep you guys updated via my social media. That's Instagram, Snapchat, all that good stuff. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Cexxy Hair, you got a banger, honey. You got a banger, honey. I love it. I love it. I love how it looks. I love how it frames my face. I love the closure. For me, who it's just so difficult to work with closures, this looks like my scalp. You know what I mean? Like, it looks like my scalp. And I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Thank you for sending me this hair to review. Definitely a thumbs up from me. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Everything for Cexxy Hair is linked in the description bar below. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Can it be any wetter?